An intensifying feud in the Arkansas Supreme Court is raising questions about just how much authority the Chief Justice actually has. Channel 7's Andrew Mobley reached out to a professor with the Bowen School of Law and the University of Arkansas Little Rock to make sense of it all. Andrew?
The very public power struggle erupted earlier this month after newly elected Chief Justice Karen Baker took office.
Within days of taking office on January 1st, Baker attempted to appoint 3 judges to the Judicial Discipline and Disability Commission and fire 10 administrative office of the court staff, including the office's director. A 5-justice majority of the court quickly issued 2 per curiam orders saying Baker did not have the authority to do so. Baker responded with her own order, declaring the majority's orders null and void. So who has the authority here?
Chief Justice Baker is attempting to claim rights and powers that have never been claimed before.
In a contentious and publicly live-streamed meeting last Thursday, justices had a heated argument over the limits of Baker's power in her new role, as laid out in Arkansas's laws and constitution, specifically Amendment 80, which says that the Supreme Court has superintending control over all courts of the state, among other powers, while the Chief Justice has an administrative role.
She's interpreting that administrative function as substantive power over various acts, including these appointments. There is one appointment that explicitly is delegated to the Chief Justice, and that's picking the Chief Justice of the Intermediate Court in Arkansas, the Court of Appeals. Nobody disputes that. You know why? Because the statute says so.
Steinbuck says the powers given the Supreme Court as a body versus those given its Chief Justice are clearly laid out in state statute.
When the constitutional and statutory provisions say the court, it means the court. It doesn't mean the Chief Justice.
Baker has argued the right she is given to appoint a director of the Administrative Office of the Courts in Arkansas Code 16-10-102 justifies her attempt to fire Sullivan and bring in a new director, which the court's majority disagreed with in their order, an order that Baker later declared null and void.
Because she makes a declaration that a Supreme Court order is null and void, doesn't make that Supreme Court order null and void.
Steinbuck says the true test of who has greater authority, the court or the Chief Justice, is which one are state agencies listening to. Well, the Department of Transformation and Shared Services, which is the administrative arm of Arkansas government, has recognized the court majority's order blocking Baker's termination of 10 AOC staff.
Despite his criticism of Baker, Steinbuck does say that he appreciates her efforts to make the court's meetings more transparent. On your side, I'm Andrew Mobley.
Well, Andrew, thank you. For more information on this story, you can visit our website. That's katv.com.